we're solving the LeetCode question, length of last word on the LeetCode platform. Okay, so we have discussed in detail about this problem in the theoretical lecture. So if you haven't watched it, just go through it once and then you can look at the solution with me. Okay, so like we said, the first thing that we have to do is that we will create right index that will be pointing to the end index of the string, right? So this is how we'll do, and the first step is to consume the trailing spaces, right? So like we said, we'll consume the trailing spaces first. So like how we said is that while right is greater than or equal to 0 and the string in character at index right in string s, if it is a space, then what we'll do, we'll reduce our right by 1. Okay, and then what we can do, then we have to actually calculate in the question what is asking that we have to return the length of the last word in the string. So if you have consumed all the spaces, then what we can do, we can start calculating the size of the last word, right? Because the spaces is not part of the last word. So while right is greater than or equal to 0, and if the character at index right in string s, if it is not equal to space, then it is actually a part of the last word, right? So in that case, what we'll do two things. We'll decrease our index right by 1 and we'll increase our size by 1. This is what we have to do. We have to finally return the size of the last word. So this concludes our algorithm, and let's just run it once with the sample test cases to see if it's getting passed or not. And yeah, it does pass for the sample test cases. Let's just submit it to see if the length of the last word question does pass for all the test cases on the LeetCode platform. And yeah, so we have a success, and yeah, that concludes our solution for the problem. The problem is the length of the last word. Thank you.